think the girls with their nails done.
Great! Look, there's only one player who... Torres! And he's shown him a... It's Rush! Oh, it's Torres. Torres!
Girls with their nails
Had a shot!
done. I think the girls with their nails done.
And he's Torres!
Way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that.
Shot a goal! Decent progress down the left.
Girls with their nails
Crunching tackle. Well, hello and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. The action has already started. Keeper's got good distance on that. Needed a better pass there. Forward it goes. Well, the ball's come loose and the chase is on.
Well, it seems as if he's just had a momentary lapse and slipped into tunnel vision, because he had good options around him and he failed to get his head up.
He's had a shot! A real chance and a real let-off.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best.
Cruyff. He'll try from distance. And he's there to make a great save.
Cruyff is very sporting here to acknowledge the quality of the save. A lovely little footballing moment.
Gets the better of his man. Great leap! And in for the pieces. He's scored! The breakthrough strike. Czech reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Oh, look, there's only one player who...
Torres! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Good defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from a forward who wants to help out his defence. I think, you know, any good team, really, your striker should be the first line of that defence, and he's delivering.
He gets past his man. Cruyff. Ball's loose, who's getting there? Regardless of the outcome, it is good to see someone running at the defence like that. And here's Rashford. Fernando Torres. It's a brilliant interception. And it's Fernando Torres. Now it's Torres. Going... And the shot! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Well, the most exciting sight on a football pitch. He had too much trickery for that defence. Brilliant.
Gerrard. And the through ball is intercepted. Rashford. And he's shown him a... It's Rashford! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
Beckham standing over it. And And it's been taken short. And he's cut it out. Cruyff. Cruyff. Oh, no question, that's a foul.
It's more audacious than his attempt.
And it's played forward. It's Fernando Torres. Time and again they are repelled. Gerrard. Now it's Torres. Cruyff. And that'll be the last act of the first half. So there you have it, a close-fought half of football, but one that still had its moment.
Well, you obviously have to give credit to the front men for the half-time lead, but I think the midfield can really pat themselves on the back too. They worked tirelessly for me.
Leading 1-0 at the break. Already up and running for the second half.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Van Dijk was not to be moved. Now it's Torres. Torres!
Torres sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Now it's Torres.
Are certainly playing with an intense focus in executing their plan here.
Oh, that had to be more accurate. Cruyff. Questions were asked, and he's given the answers. And here's Rashford, dashing forward at pace. And Torres! And he comes up trumps again.
Fernando Torres clearly thought he'd done enough. The save was like a bolt from the blue.
Ball's out on the left now. It's a loose ball. And a shot!
Creating a problem for themselves then, but he was onto it so quickly and very nearly made them pay.
Yeah. Fernando Torres. That intervention was very necessary.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
And he's Torres! Goal! A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. What about that, Jim Beglin?
Well, considering he has a bit of a shoot-on-sight policy, he was the one player that should have been picked up then. It was both careless and costly from where I'm sitting.
So, time for changes on both sides, actually. So the lead now is 2. He's through, now is he in? Hits one! Really well taken goal. Comes simpler than that. Bang in front of goal.
Owen is the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that.
Shot at goal! They've scored! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat. Maldini positions himself well and cuts it out. Gerrard. Cristiano Ronaldo. Filippo Inzaghi. Mbappe. Decent progress down the left. Crunching tackle. And that is it. The referee has seen enough. Now the manager heads down the tunnel, swathed in satisfaction. His team have carried out his instructions to the word, and they have got their win. How do you look back on the game then, Jim?
Yeah, they had a game plan which was about hammering away in central positions,